KDE Plasma versus XFCE. Which Linux desktop environment is better? Choosing the right desktop environment can completely change how you experience Linux without compromising speed or customization. KDE offers modern visuals, while XFCE focuses on simplicity and performance. KDE Plasma and XFCE are two popular Linux desktop environments with distinct approaches. KDE Plasma emphasizes a rich, visually appealing interface with extensive features. XFCE prioritizes a lightweight, fast experience with a straightforward design. The core difference lies in customization versus simplicity. KDE Plasma is a feature-rich desktop environment, known for its modern look and high customizability. It uses the Qt framework to deliver smooth animations, advanced widgets, and a polished user interface. Users can tailor almost every aspect, from themes to window behavior, making it ideal for those who want a visually striking and versatile desktop. KDE integrates well with various Linux distributions and supports powerful tools like KRunner for quick access to apps and files. However, this richness comes with higher resource usage, which might impact performance on older hardware. While KDE Plasma runs smoothly on most modern systems, it may feel heavier compared to more minimalist environments. Its strength lies in catering to users who value aesthetics and flexibility without sacrificing functionality. Ideal users are those with mid to high-end systems who enjoy tweaking their desktop experience extensively. XFCE is a lightweight Linux desktop environment designed for speed and simplicity. Built on the GTK framework, it offers a clean and straightforward interface that prioritizes efficiency over flashy visuals. XFCE uses minimal system resources, making it perfect for older or low-spec hardware while still providing essential desktop features like panel customization, workspace management, and session saving. Its design is less flashy but highly stable and reliable, focusing on usability without distractions. XFCE's modular approach allows users to add or remove components as needed, maintaining a balance between functionality and performance. The environment is easy to navigate, which appeals to users who prefer a no-nonsense fast desktop. Limitations include fewer built-in effects and less modern aesthetics compared to KDE Plasma. XFCE is ideal for users seeking a responsive desktop that works with unlimited hardware or those who prefer a simple, distraction-free interface. Comparing KDE Plasma and XFCE comes down to priorities. KDE offers a visually stunning and highly customizable experience, suitable for users who want a modern desktop with advanced features even if it requires more system resources. XFCE, on the other hand, excels in speed and low resource usage, making it the better choice for older machines or users who prefer simplicity and reliability. For example, a developer with a powerful laptop might choose KDE for its flexibility and integrated tools, while someone running Linux on an older laptop would benefit from XFCE's lightweight design. The trade-off is between aesthetics and performance. KDE Plasma impresses with visuals and options. XFCE delivers a fast, minimal environment with less eye candy but more efficiency. Choose KDE Plasma if you want a modern, customizable desktop with rich features and have a system that can handle its resource demands. Option Samurai versus Varchar, which are almost smoothly on older or low-spec hardware while keeping things simple and stable. Both environments have strong followings, so your choice depends on whether you prioritize customization or performance.